Yeah. Hello.
Where you learn different.
Welcome back to our channel where we learn and develop.
Help them to develop their imagination during now. Kids Diary.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Baba promised Sual Babu. प्रसम सुवाल आजको नयाँ टोय रहेको छ स्विमिङ किट्स र आज हामी चाहिँ स्विमिङ किट्समा के हामीले पाएको छौं देखो yes what this one yes you can't breathe to breathe we need to have a snorkel. That's how you breathe into the water. And also yes, look at this. What's this guys? Big step. Big What we have?
Slippers.
Yeah, we have slippers. Boat down here. Duck and duck. So hope you are enjoying. And Prasam also enjoying.
It was just orange one.
Oh yes. Can you find more?
It was my duck colors.
Okay.
1, 2.
Help them to develop their imagination during now. Kids Diary.
Yes, you got it. Pasam Sual, can you show us how to use snorkel swimming kit into the water?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this. Put it in your hand.
In the mouth, yes. And you can breathe. Yeah, and also wear goggles so you can see inside the water. There's a goggle down here. Can you show us, please? Yes. See? Now he can breathe into the water and swim. Wow. That's awesome. So hope तपाईहरुलाई आजको भिडियो चाहिँ राम्रो लाग्यो होला and please keep watching Kids Diary and don't forget to subscribe and see you next time with the new video.
Help them to develop their
Bye-bye.
imagination during now.
Bye-bye.
Kids Diary.